Today we are going to see how to install TVS RP45 Sharpie automatic printer on Windows 10 64-bit. There are two steps we need to follow to complete the installation. Step 1, disable the driver signatures on Windows 10. Usually Windows 10 64-bit with more protections, it will have default driver signatures. So we need to disable it to install RP45 Sharpie. For that we need to run the below mentioned command shutdown.exe. This command is for to disable the signatures. Step 2, the standard way, universal way, how we usually install all the drivers. Control panel, devices and printers, add printer wizard. So these are all the two steps we are going to see. Initially I am going to run a step 1. Step 1, I am just going to copy that command shutdown.exe. You can able to see shutdown.exe space /r space /o space /f space /t00. Then I am going to click OK. Now we can able to see system is getting restart. So it will take few seconds to restart. Now we can able to see there are three options: continue, troubleshoot, turn off your PC. So here I am going to click troubleshoot. Then I can able to see advanced options. Go to advanced options. Then you need to go to startup settings. Then you can able to see restart to change Windows options such as disable driver signature enforcement. This is what we have to disable. Now I am clicking restart. So system will get me to disable the process. Just wait for a moment. Again system will get restart. Now I can able to see enable debugging. The 7th option is disable driver signature enforcement. So I have to click F7. F7. Now system will get restart. Now I am opening Chrome browser. Now I am searching TVS RP45 Sharpie driver. Now we can able to see on the second link itself, index of download RP45 Sharpie. Just click this link. Can able to see escape power simulation drivers. Just click on. So here we need to select Windows 10 64. So I have already downloaded. Can able to see it's in downloads folder. I am going to extract this file. So it is already extracted. So the next process is we need to open control panel. Can able to see devices and printers were there. Just go to devices and printers, view devices and printers. I am going here. I can able to see add printer. Now just click on the printer that is not listed. Now click add local printer. Use an existing port, either it is LPT or COM or anything, whatever. Either usually it will be coming with USB, so select USB. Here I am using LPT, so I am using LPT. So I am clicking next. Here you have to go to have disk. just go to downloads. So I'm searching downloads, open Windows 1064, Windows 1064. I'm selecting the INF file, just click open, just click OK, again select, click next, click next. Now just click on yes. Now you can able to see two options were there. You need to go to install these drivers after anyway, just click there. So now it is completed. You can able to see you have successfully installed a TVS Just Build Escape House. So now I am clicking finish. So in devices and printers you can able to see TVS Just Build Escape House. So this is the way to install RP45 Shopee. Not only RP45 Shopee, you can install all TVS dot matrix printer on the same way while installing in Windows 10 64 bits. Thank you for watching.